All right. Carnivore Soldier coming at you from Austin, Texas today. Just going to do a little quick motivational video. Not a lot of subject matter to talk about or anything deep. All I did was I got out today when it was 92 degrees out there, which it is right now, and I ran 5 sprints and did 50 push-ups out in the sun, and the sprints were uphill. And I thought I'd videotape it for you so you guys could kind of see, you know, how this is affecting a 57-year-old. So 6 months ago, I've been on for 184 days now. So like 6 months ago, I was 280 pounds and didn't even want to get off the couch. Now I want to go out and do stuff. I want to go hiking. I want to go running. I want to do push-ups. It's crazy. It's complete 180 in my life in 6 months. The fastest change I've ever experienced in my life at anything. So just, you know, it's very anabolic, putting on muscle, a lot of motivation, mental health's great. So just want to show you guys what this does for a 57-year-old. So it's all I did was I sped up walking back to my Jeep, so you don't have to sit there and wait for me to do all my reps. But I did 5 reps where I started with 10 push-ups and then sprint and then walk back, 10 push-ups, sprint, walk back. And I filmed myself doing it. So check it out, guys. Let me know what you think. It feels great. And I'm not saying you all have to sprint or anything, but get out and walk. Do something, because I tell you what, I mean, after being older and sick from my diet, being healthy is like a gift. It's like I can do stuff. The first time in my life, I feel like an athlete again since I was in my 20s. I really feel athletic, which is pretty amazing. And then when you watch me run, I am 57. I'm no speed demon. But for my age group, I think I could outrun most 57-year-olds out there. I'll tell you that. And I definitely could outpush most of them on push-ups. So just saying, you know, it's pretty cool. Anyway, enjoy it, guys. Have a great day and have a great weekend.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. losing. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seeds as I spread, with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed?
And all I got to say is stay strong and overcome. Carnivore Soldier, out.